In the preceding topic, we have checked that you need to copy-paste the formula in all the cells in which you want the result. Array formula is a wonderful function with the help of which you can enter the formula in one cell and apply in as many number of cells as you want. In this example, data is till cell number A10. In this case, there are two approaches. Number 1. Apply the formula in cell number B2 and copy paste the formula till cell number B10. In place of this, if we use array formula, then we have to apply the formula just once and the formula will automatically get applied till cell number B10. For this, first of all, we have to write array formula over here. Then we have to apply a bracket. Then over here A2, then colon A10. The rest of the entire formula will be same. You can see we have applied the formula in one cell only. The result is automatically derived till cell number B10.